everyone, this is Yila from Shanghai SINOFUDE Machinery Manufactory. Today I want to take you to visit our factory. Now you can see in this area we have 20,000 square meters with 4 workshops, 1 office building, and over 200 employees. Our workshop 1 is split into 2 areas. This is the left areas, and that's our another area. This is our storage welfare room. You can see there are many components. It's set here neatly, and it's got an online management system. If you need any specific components, you can search the online management system, and you can easily get it. Now let me take you to see it from area A to area H. If you have any problems during using our machines, you can contact us and we can help you to find your needs of our components. Okay, let me take you to the right areas. This is our steel processing areas. Let's go. This is our wire assembly room. This is our cabinet. You can see, as you know, the steel contact with the food directly. We use 316 stainless steel, medical food, and other parts we use 304 stainless steel. So that can meet the high requirements of our most customers. This helps us to processing our machine. This is our workshop 2 and workshop 3. In these 2 workshops, we assemble our production line by our customers. This side is our sugar and oil coating machine, and this is the elevator. This side is our chocolate production line. It's so long. This side there are some curves and hands. This is cabinet. CLM 150 kg per hour Gummy production line. This is a Gummy candy production line 2. Let's go to the workshop 3. This space we can store some machines. If this workshop is so filled, we need to set the machines in here. This is our workshop 3. This is a hot candy production line. Popping boba production line. This is our cooling tunnel without fans. This is a cooking system by our customer customized. This is a popping boba production line. In there, this is a chocolate production line cooling tunnel. This is our wooden box package. This machine has been packaged to ship. This is our workshop 4. It's used to assemble a big turnover. Okay, that's all the introduction of my